for game number 3 of this playoff series. It's been a fun one so far. James and Ray ready to bring you the action here on EA Sports. Both these teams look ready to go, as does the official. Let's bring it on. Every game critical in the postseason. This one no different, and we are underway. Hedman's lugging the puck. And that's some great pressure in the offensive end by Rantanen. His reflexes on display tonight. Can't catch up to the pass. And that doesn't exactly go tape to tape. The Bolts get a hold of the puck along the boards. Tosses it on to Killorn. Move to the middle. And just out of arm's reach on the play. Manages to hang on. Poked away at center ice. Right side set up ahead into the middle of the ice. Oh, had a chance to make a nice move, and the puck disagreed with him.
Stamkos has fallen into that frustration trap. You can see it, James. He's trying to do too much, trying to make sure that he can help his team, but simple's better most times.
He was locked in there.
These are frustrating. You don't get many...
Scores!
One thing to score in the regular season. Now you get to where the money's all sitting there. The playoff games are super intense, and he's on the board.
The Avs make their way back to center. What's the conversation here?
I don't know that there's any real great conversation to be had, except you've got the early lead on the road. It couldn't start any better than this.
Puck dumped in. The Bolts have it behind the net. O'Connor's got it in the corner. Denies him in front.
Sometimes you're in close, there's no room to put it anywhere. The goalie smothered it all.
Puts it on net, and there's the save. Through center along the wing. Kadri's got it in the offensive zone. And he regains control of the puck. Can't pull the trigger. Quick feed to Point. And he uses his reach to disrupt the play. Puck picked up by Point. He scores! Jumps right on his own rebound and puts it in the back of the net. Still early on in this frame, James and Ray with you. So glad you could join us. The next goal could be a big one as we are tied. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Comfort. The Avs moving in. Here's a shot. That goes off a twig. Skates to the crease. Play blown dead. Let's get the call. The Lightning have to spend the next 2 minutes undermanned. Colorado sending their power play unit out for the first time tonight.
Power play and penalty kill go a long way to determining what your team's going to be like. This is the power play's first chance. We'll see if they can get on the board.
And that's a solid clearing attempt on the play. The Avs will play the puck from behind the net. Takes the pass. Here they come on the attack. Gets the full use of his stick on the poke check. And they send it down the ice. The Avs scoop it up along the boards. Takes the feed from the left side. Long reach breaks up the momentum. Scores! And they get the lead with the man advantage.
Now the power play comes through for them. They talked about having a more aggressive look on the power play. I thought they executed it perfectly. And that power play has given them a 1-goal lead.
And now it's grabbed by Manson. Steps inside the line. Throws it in. Puck sent over to Cirelli. And now he tries to get it across to Point. Here he is from the slot. Taken by Helm. Scrum ensues along the boards. Swatted away with the stick in the defensive zone. Takes the feed at the point. Oh, what a denial by Kemper. Palat's working it around in the corner. And he slides it quickly to Aube-Kubel. Colorado's moving it up the ice. Tampa Bay's gained possession along the boards. Moves it around along the half wall. The Bolts gain possession of the puck here in the offensive end. Whoa! He scores! The big man, Victor Hedman. Still lots of time left in the period. It's all tied up. McKinnon's won it. Gets the puck over to Nichushkin. Takes the feed from the left side. Here's a shot. Gobbles the puck up there with the chest. And we're going to get a stoppage here as the referee blows the play dead.
Burakovsky's ability offensively has never been in question. But now he's producing at the most important time of the year among the league leaders in goals.
Well, that's one way to win the draw as he skates away with the puck after the two centers were tied up. Here he scores!
The deadlock's broken. That's a big goal, and they put him into the lead.
The Avs have jumped out to the early lead just the way any coach would want to see.
Well, now that you're out in front, you want to push the game. Make the opponent have to scramble around the ice.
Sends it in deep. Tampa Bay's got the puck behind the net. Along the side, here they come through the neutral zone. And they won't connect on that one. From the left side, they enter the attacking zone. Rantanen's taking the puck behind the net. Snaps it on net. Rantanen's exploring options with the puck. Takes a shot. Wide of the net.
Most dangerous place on the ice, and he can't capitalize.
Off the bar, I think that caught the inside of the post.
The Avs let out a collective groan here on the bench beside me as that puck rings off the pipe and stays out.
Big time stop.
Once he started doing this on a regular basis, the kids are all trying to shoot the one-timer just like him. One day maybe they can shoot it like this, but that thing is a bomb. The goalie's just better than him that time.
Along the right side into the offensive zone. Taves takes the puck. Maintains possession. The Avalanche have gained possession off the wall. Moves the puck to Burakovsky. Shot off a stick. The Bolts take possession in the defensive end. No quarter given here as they battle for the loose puck along the boards. And now it's over to scores!
They score back-to-back goals. They stay aggressive after getting the first one. They tack another one on here.
The Avs seem to be playing the type of style you like, Ray, aggressive.
I think it's the only way to play because if you're going to push the pace of the game, you're going to score or you're going to draw penalties. I like it.
Feeds the puck to O'Connor. From the right side, he goes to the middle of the neutral zone. Kadri's got it to the side. Tampa Bay's got it against the boards. You'll need more than that to beat him. There's the whistle as things will slow down here for a moment.
Always a good play. If you're not sure what's going on, freeze the puck.
McKinnon's known to burn defenders with his ankle breaker zone ability. Hedman's a steady defender who's known to join the rush. I'll be keeping tabs on these players all night long, and let's see if one of them can lead their team to victory. Guys, back to you.
Here's a short pass to Burakovsky. The Bolts have a hold of it in the defensive zone. Loose puck battle along the boards. Sends the pass over. Quick pass to Hagel. Drives to the paint. Oh, it stays out. He got a piece of that one. Past the midway mark of the frame, the Avs now lead by 2. The Bolts win it. And the shot dies in the traffic jam. Handles the puck. Pushes it across to Aube-Kubel. Great read with the stick. Puck grab by Hedman. Tampa Bay's got it in their own zone. Moves it to Sturm. Oh, and he just gets a piece of it. Great extension on the play.
Yeah, I hate it when I miss chances like this, James. You don't get many that are this quality. You want to put them away because you don't know when the next one's going to come.
Here in the later stages of this period, Colorado's been the better club as they hold a 4-2 lead at this point. Quick shot, and makes the save. Tampa Bay's got it along the wall. The Avs have it now. Puck scooped up by Helm. Colorado's looking to break out. And now it's to Aube-Kubel. Oh, what a stop as he uses his paddle to swat it away. Moves it quickly over to Helm. Whacks it into the offensive zone. The Bolts have it against the wall. Exploring options here inside the defensive zone. Grabbed along the boards by Sergachev. Vasilevsky's going to slow things down and opt for the whistle.
Well, you got to kill the play eventually. That way everyone can get reorganized.
Centers glide into the dot as the face-off ready to resume play. The Bolts win it in the defensive zone. Quick feed to point. And that pass can't connect. Slides the puck over. Here's a chance right in the slot. Picked off by Sergachev.
The Bolts have continually put themselves in good positions defensively tonight. It seems like every shift they're stealing a puck.
And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Colorado's got possession of the puck. And the traffic jam in front blocks the shot. Nice pass. The Avalanche have the puck in the neutral zone. Takes a shot, and that one's turned away. Nice zone entry from the left. Puts the puck on net. Glove save. Goaltender covers up. We got a stoppage in play. In the final moments of this period, Colorado's doubled up on them. It's now 4-2. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. And he moves it up to Comfer. Tried to connect the pass, but it doesn't go. The Avs looking against the half wall. Denied by the goaltender. And now he angles it across to Paul. Tampa Bay's got the puck along the wall. Nice block. Puck picked up by Hagel. Takes the feed. Puts it up front. And the puck dies with the trapper save. Kemper's going to opt for the whistle and give everybody a chance to breathe.
Sometimes you get running around as the shift gets long. This helps.
Kadri's won it off the faceoff. Receives the pass. That'll do it for period number 1. We'll drop the puck on the second period in just moments.
All right, fans, time for tonight's Lucky Road giveaway. Congratulations to Section 107, Row F. Each fan receives a limited edition player's t-shirt. And fans, don't forget to purchase your player t-shirt tonight only at our team store.
Period number 2 seems ready to go. The teams are set. My broadcast partner, Ray Ferraro, is also set. Let's do this. Well, after an intriguing opening period, here we go. It's period number 2. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. 1 period already in the books. Ray, how have you seen this thing?
The Bolts are going to have to find a possession game that looks a lot different than that first period. They chased it around, and as a result, they're chasing the game.
Here's a short pass to Makar. Tries to make a move and can't hang on to the puck.
Makar's hands make him always a danger around the offensive zone, but he can't pull this one off.
From behind the net. With possession along the wall. Great use of the stick in the defensive end by Taves. And now he moves it to McKinnon. And he loses possession of the puck after trying to make one too many moves. Tries to feed it over to Palat. Couldn't connect on that pass. And now it's grabbed by Nichushkin. The Lightning have the puck in the open ice. Pushes it across to point. Quick pass to Ruda. The Bolts take it across the blue line. Shot! Nothing doing! From the back of the cage with the puck. Takes it right in the chest! And there's the whistle stopping the play. Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. The Avs lead it 4-2. Slides in off the wing after the centerman tied him up. Good battle along the boards for the puck. The Bolts take it along the wall. What a blocker stop at point-blank range by Kemper.
I like the way he tracks the puck here. He's got to find it, and then he gets his body right in front of it. That's a good save.
The Avs carry it along the wall. Can't connect. Colorado's going to play the puck from behind the cage. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Sergachev stick handling in his own zone. Can't finish. Oh, rain blown opportunity.
It really is. I mean, the play is sitting right there. There's a scoring chance to be had. They just don't execute it.
Moves it to Paul. Couldn't complete the pass. Takes the bank feed. Tampa Bay's got the puck along the boards. Passes it over to Maroon. To his teammate. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Nice zone entry from the middle. Puts it on goal. Oh, fantastic save by Vasilevsky. Colorado's got the puck along the wall. Picked up along the boards by Belmar. Tampa Bay's got it in their own zone. Face-off coming up as the puck goes up and over the glass. More than half the period left to play. It's a 2-goal lead here tonight. 4-2 is where we're sitting. Puck is dropped and play resumes. Helms gaining momentum. Dumps it in. Scrum along the boards as they battle for the puck. The Bolts gain possession along the wall. Moves the puck from off the bank pass. The Bolts look to start the transition game. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Cirelli. Sends a pass over. Dumps it into the O-zone. The Avs gain control of the puck. Takes the feed. Slides it over with pace to Belmar. A chance! Comes up with the stop. Goaltender covers up and will get a face-off. Teams are ready to go, and we're about moments away from puck drop. Good job tangling up his opponent here. Taken by Taves. And he moves the puck back inside his own end. Taken along the wall by Nichushkin. Moves the puck. Feeds it on over to McKinnon. Slides the puck across to Nichushkin. The Avs are in transition. Settles things down and gets control of it once again. Can't connect on the pass. The Bolts gain possession in their own end. Nice zone entry on the left side. Puck grab by Taves. Rantanen's got it across the line. Lets it go! Oh, and somehow he gets a sliver of it and keeps them at bay. James and Ray with you tonight. More than half the period has been played. Lots of offense here tonight. 4-2 is where we're sitting. The Avs take possession off the faceoff. Penalty coming up here. Killorn's off to the box. 2 minutes for tripping. Time for the power play unit to get back to work.
It's kind of nice if you have a power play goal already in the game, which they do. Make sure the confidence continues to build, and you try and get another.
Colorado's got it, and they're on the attack. Ah, that goes awry.
Man, they create the scoring chance, and it's a good one, but they don't get it on the net.
Oh, wow, stops him again.
That's excellent chance. They work the puck into position, and it's a scoring chance that's turned away.
Comes up with the stop. And as he opts to freeze the puck, we get a whistle.
Starting to look like a little bit of a fire drill in the zone, so this is a good play.
Rantanen's effective because he distributes the puck so cleanly, guys. His tape-to-tape zone ability is what helps him set up his teammates for success.
Colorado's won the draw, and they'll go to work. The Lightning have the puck while undermanned. Driving right to the front, and that's another power play marker.
The power play coach is going to be pumped here. They have done some extra work on the power play over the last 10 days or so, really paying off tonight.
His make-it-snappy superstar ability is that quick release he has while skating towards the net, guys. It's tough to read because he gets it off so quickly, and just like that, he's got the goal.
Moves it quickly over to Makar. Takes the pass. The Avs played along the wing. Picked up along the wall by Aube-Kubel. And that carries off a stick. And now he moves it quickly to Stamkos. Sends the pass over. Puck scooped up by Makar. Through the neutral zone, up along the wing. Gets the puck in deep. The Lightning have taken possession along the wall. Here they come. Tampa Bay's got it along the wall. Oh, a little cat burglar-like play with the stick. Nicely done. Up along the wall on the right side and into the attacking area. The Bolts gain possession. And here's the pass to Kucherov. The Avs have it from their own end. Through center. Takes a hit on the play. Scooped up along the wall by Burakovsky. Couldn't complete the play. Tampa Bay's on the attack. Lets it go. Comes up with a glove save. More than half the frame has been played here. Colorado's got a 3-goal lead. Colton's won the draw. Manson's got the puck in his own zone. On the attack along the boards. And that one's broken up. Up along the wing. And now he tries to get it across to Foot. Moves inside. Oh, just wide of the net.
That play happened so quickly, they're in good position, but they don't get the puck on the net, and all that work goes to waste.
The Avs played along the boards. Tampa Bay's got it from the back of their own cage. Here in the late goings of the period, lots of goals on display tonight. It's 5-2. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Drives to the crease. Stones him in front.
Vasilevsky's one of the group today for sure. It's not been very good from him all the way out.
Both teams are set. They're ready to drop the puck. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Keeps control of the puck after taking a little knock. Tampa Bay's got the puck. Here's a chance. Gets in front of it.
A little slow to react there. It looked like it got up on him in a hurry, and it hits him right in the mask. Pretty fortunate that he's okay.
Tampa Bay's regained possession of the puck. Quick feed to Cirelli. The Avs have it now. Handles the puck. Here they come inside the neutral zone. Dumps it in. Compher's got control of the puck in the corner. From one point man to another. Snaps one here in the slot. Vasilevsky's going to hang on to the puck for a whistle. McKinnon's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. And he denied that opportunity. Oh, another consecutive stop. Tampa Bay's got a hold of the puck. And less than a minute to go here in the middle frame. Hangs onto the puck. knocked aside with the stick by Perry. Vasilevsky's going to smother it to get a whistle.
Can get dangerous if nobody's in control of the puck.
Tampa Bay's won the draw. Coming down the left wing and into the zone. Slides the puck down low. And that concludes the second period of play. Still one more period of regulation time. We'll see what happens in the third next.
Present your ticket stub from tonight's game and receive up to 10% off of your meal at Bunsville Burgers Family Restaurants.
The officials are set. The players are set. Ray Ferraro between the benches is set. I'm James Cebulski. Let's go. Well, this has been an absolute blowout through the first two periods as we get underway here in the third. Ray Ferraro is back down at ice level. Ray, 40 minutes played so far. What's been your assessment of this tilt?
Tampa Bay's been chasing this game and chasing the puck much of the first two periods. If they're going to get back in it, they've got to possess the puck a lot more.
Nice pass. Hedman's got the puck along the blue line. Centering pass. Turns it aside with the glove. Back to the blue line. Fearless. Totally fearless on the block. Errant pass, and they can't connect. And they turn it over in the neutral zone. Puck picked up by Kucherov. The Avalanche have possession along the boards. Here's a short pass to Kucherov. Kemper's on top of that one for a whistle.
A little bit of traffic starting to form around the net.
Still plenty of time left in this frame. Here we are, it's 5-2 in this one. Off the draw, and he ties up his opponent. Can't connect. Gains control of the puck here at the line. Too much congestion, blocks the shot. Points moving the puck through his own zone. They go on the attack from the left side. The Bolts will play it against the boards. Oh, what a stop on the play. Gets all of it with the paddle. Loose puck battle along the boards. Broken up by Kadri. Tampa Bay's got a hold of it against the wall. Broken up with the stick in the defensive end.
Defensively, they're worn out. They can't get to the puck to clear the zone.
Oh, he gets a blocker on it. What a stop by Kemper. The Avs are on the attack. The Bolts get a hold of the puck in their own end. Takes the feed. Lets the wrister fly. Dismiss that chance. And there's the whistle as he elects to slow things down a little.
A pretty good decision here with the play starting to break down in front of him.
Centers are set. Face-off ready to resume play. And a solid job tying up his opponent. Gets a glove on it to make the save. The Avs get a hold of the puck in their own end. And now it's over to Compher. Keeps hold of the puck. And serves up a little knock on the play. There's the whistle as the play was offside. Inching closer to the midway mark of this period. The Avs lead at 5-2. Face off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. And puts the body into it, a little bumper car hockey. And it's kicked away. Quick pass to Compher. Colorado's got the puck in the defensive end. And it's a quick pass to Johnson. Tried to connect the pass, but it doesn't go. Moves it to Colton. From point blank. Oh, that's a big-time save. I think he got him with a toe.
He looked up to the roof after that one. He thought he had room. The goaltender makes the stop.
Moves it quickly over to Hagel. And he makes the save. Kemper's got it, and he'll elect for the whistle.
Jumped on it pretty quickly there, and like everything else tonight, he's really looked in control. He's had an excellent game.
The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. And now he angles it across to Rantanen. Sends it over to Johnson. Quick feed to Rantanen. Moves the puck to the attacking area. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Slides the puck over. Receives the pass. And that banks off a stick. Grabbed along the boards by Sergachev. A spirited battle along the boards for the puck. The Avs will play it in their own end. Moves the puck across to Nichushkin. Gains the zone through the middle. Great defensive effort with the stick. Tampa Bay's got control of it now from their own end. Gains the zone on the left wing. Tampa Bay's on the attack. Picked up along the boards by Nichushkin. Broken up with the stick in the defensive zone. Takes the shot. No room for that one to get through. Feeds it to Sturm. Picking up some steam at center ice. Here's a short pass to Rantanen. Takes that one right in the logo. Inching closer to the midway mark of the period. Colorado's got a 3-goal lead here. They're up 5-2. Well, that's one way to win the draw as he skates away with the puck after the two centers were tied up. Enters the offensive zone from the left. Along the half wall with the puck. Can't get it to go. And uses the length of his stick to knock that puck away. Tampa Bay's got a hold of the puck now. And he gets his glove out to stop the pinball shot.
That's an important stop for the goalie. Not only does he make the save, but because he catches it, he kills the play.
Past the halfway mark of this period, it's a 5-2 hockey game. The Bolts win it. Quick pass to Killorn. Taves carries the puck in his own zone. Across the line from center. Right out front. Picks off the feed. Tampa Bay's moving it along the wing. Moves it to Kucherov. And just a good old-fashioned solid body check on the play. Taken along the wall by Kadri. The Bolts take possession in the defensive end. Here's a chance. A little dipsy-doodle and he loses possession of the puck.
Stamkos sees a little bit of an opening, but he thinks he can make that move every time. I like it. It's aggressive. It just doesn't work there.
The Avs move the puck in the defensive zone. Great forecheck by Kucherov. Puts it to the front of the net. Denies him with a save. Slides it up front.
Kucherov's calling card is that he can score. He doesn't have anything tonight, and really, like most of his team, it's been a long game. They're getting clobbered.
The Bolts move to the offensive zone. Broken up with the stick in the defensive end. Delayed penalty coming up here. The Avs have it now. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Compher. From the left side, they enter the offensive zone. Whistle blows, stopping the play.
Everybody's trying to work their way through this, but everybody seems to be making the wrong decision out there. This night is not going very well.
Colorado's got another opportunity here on the man advantage.
Time to get back to work on a power play that's already scored tonight. Don't change much. Keep working away in the same manner.
Nice play shorthanded as they get control of the puck. Paul's carrying it ahead. Moves it quickly over to McDonough. And makes the routine save. Kemper's on top of that for the whistle.
Pretty quickly on top of it to kill the play.
Carlin Bade is standing by with who she thought had the better performance.
Hedman's been able to find the back of the net in this game, guys, and I've really liked the way he's gone about it. I'm giving him the edge tonight.
Passes it to Comfer. Right up the gut into the attacking zone. Move to the middle. Laying the body. Reads it perfectly and comes up with the takeaway. And he regains control of the puck. And that's picked off in front. Poked away by Comfer. The Avalanche have it in their own zone. Takes the feed at center and moves forward. And he comes up with it. And now he moves it to Paul. The Bolts move it in. Quick feed to Hedman.
Oh.
Puts it in, and it's a shorthanded goal.
Oh, this is a really devastating strike to give up. You're on the power play, you think you're going to get a goal, and now all of a sudden, you've got to come up with another one just to erase that.
Can they capitalize on this power play? Here comes the face-off. Tampa Bay's won the draw.
Kucherov's up at the box.
Grabs the puck here in their own end. Disappointing power play effort as they serve up a short-handed goal, but both teams down back to even strength.
They're not going to be too thrilled when they get a look at the film on that power play. Ineffective, and maybe more importantly, they give up the short-handed goal.
Sends a pass over. Glove saved by the goalie. In front of the net, and the goaltender covers up for a whistle on the play. This is a face-off they'll definitely want to win here inside the offensive zone. Colorado's won the face-off. Slides it over to Palat. Puck sent across the blue line. Now a quick pass to Chernak. Stopped by the goaltender. Murray's got it in the defensive end. Here's a short pass to Nichushkin. The Lightning have taken over in the neutral zone. The Avs gain control of the puck. And a poke check knocks the puck away. Nearing the final minute of the third. The Bolts have it behind the net. From the left side, they gain the zone. Hagel's got the puck. Tampa Bay's, he scores!
I like the way they stayed aggressive here, James. After scoring once, they didn't just settle the game down. They went after it again.
Tampa Bay's third period deficit suddenly doesn't seem so insurmountable now.
You can almost see the difference in the bench and the body language. They know they've got a chance.
Desperate for a goal here, they've got the extra attacker out. Shot, and that one's stopped. Helms taking it from his own end. The Lightning have the puck against the boards. Looking for space inside the D zone. Quick pass to Colton. And that's picked off. Chance in an empty netter here. And he scores, which should end it.
That should wrap it up. Pretty comfortable now with that empty netter.
Colorado's added to their lead with the empty netter, and Ray, that's pretty much all she wrote, I would say.
Well, you grind away to get the lead through this much of the game, and they pull the goalie, they're going to pressure you. You put it away with an easy one into the empty net.
Goaltender has made his way to the bench. The extra attacker's out. They need a goal here big time. Quick pass to Belmar. Moves it around along the half wall. And that shot dies in traffic. And that somehow stayed out of the net. It is all over. They may not be talking about it in the room, but you know we are having that conversation, and fans as well, thinking sweep now, Ray.
Well, 3-0, the series totally in hand. It's only happened a few times that someone has been able to come all the way back from down 3-0.
My name is James Cybulski, and on behalf of Ray Ferraro, thanks so much for hanging out with us. What an intense evening from this playoff atmosphere.